Once upon a time, in a picturesque village surrounded by lush green hills, a trio of mischievous yet endearing little pigs resided. Meet Porky, the eldest and brainy strategist; Benny, the middle brother with his head always in the clouds; and Larry, the youngest and wildest piglet of them all. Their wise and caring mother, Mrs. Piggy, believed it was time for her piglets to spread their trotters and build their own homes. With a twinkle in her eye, she imparted her final words of guidance: "My dear little snouts, the world is filled with adventure and challenges. Stick together, work hard, and never underestimate the cunning wolf who prowls these lands." Heeding their mother's advice, the three little pigs set out on their independent journeys, armed with determination and a touch of youthful enthusiasm. Porky, the epitome of practicality, meticulously crafted a fortress of strength using sturdy bricks. Sweat dripping from his brow, he labored day and night, creating a house that could withstand even the fiercest of storms. His aim was to be prepared for any adversity that might come knocking on his door. Benny, the dreamer, allowed his imagination to take flight as he built his cozy abode with soft, golden straw. Embracing simplicity and natural beauty, he envisioned a serene sanctuary where he could be at peace with the world around him. Larry, the spirited adventurer, opted for speed and playfulness. With a quick flick of his trotter, he assembled a charming little house made of sticks, eager to have more time for endless fun and games. News of the three little pigs' dwelling spread like wildfire throughout the animal kingdom, eventually reaching the ears of the craftiest predator of them all, Mr. Wolfington. This wily wolf was infamous for his cunning tricks and insatiable appetite for porky delicacies. Determined to make a feast of the three little pigs, he embarked on a devious mission to outwit them. The first to face the wolf's sly advances was Benny, residing in his humble straw home. A booming knock echoed through the air as the wolf called out, little pig, let me in." Benny, with a trusting nature and a heart full of innocence, unsuspectingly invited the wolf inside. With an evil glint in his eye, Mr. Wolfington took a deep breath and unleashed a mighty huff and puff. Within seconds, Benny's straw house collapsed in a cloud of dust, leaving the poor piglet in a state of shock. With a squeal of terror, Benny raced toward the safety of his brother Porky's brick house, seeking solace and protection. The wolf, now frustrated but undeterred, pursued the pigs relentlessly. His beady eyes spotted Porky's sturdy brick house, an impenetrable fortress he was eager to conquer. Again, he bellowed, little pig, let me in." But Porky, wise beyond his years, wasn't about to succumb to the wolf's deceitful charms. He steadfastly refused to open the door, bracing himself for what was to come. Enraged by Porky's defiance, Mr. Wolfington summoned every ounce of his power and unleashed an almighty huff and puff. But to his dismay, the brick house stood firm, mocking his futile efforts. The wolf's fury reached its peak, and he realized he needed a new strategy to satisfy his insatiable hunger. With a sly grin curling on his lips, the wolf set his sights on Larry's flimsy stick house. Once again, he crooned, little pig, let me in." Larry, ever the playful spirit, innocently swung open the door without a second thought. As the wolf huffed and puffed, the stick house quivered and trembled, but it didn't collapse entirely. Larry, now aware of his mistake, wasted no time in scurrying to his brother's fortress of brick, seeking sanctuary and support. Now united within the safety of Porky's impregnable stronghold, the three little pigs concocted a brilliant plan. Porky, with his cunning mind, devised a scheme that would give the wolf a taste of his own medicine. They gathered a giant pot and filled it to the brim with boiling water. Placing it strategically near the chimney, they eagerly awaited the wolf's arrival. The wolf, determined to have his feast at last, approached the brick house with trepidation. He unleashed his famous request, little pig, let me in." But this time, the pigs were ready. They had concocted a trap that would turn the tables on their relentless adversary. As the wolf stealthily crept down the chimney, he was met with a scorching surprise. The boiling water sent him yelping and howling in agony, dousing his wicked plans in a steaming defeat. The three little pigs rejoiced, their laughter echoing through the air, victorious in their battle against the crafty wolf. They had not only outsmarted their predator but also learned the timeless lesson of resilience, unity, and the power of clever thinking. Word of their triumph spread far and wide, transforming their tale into a legendary fable passed down from generation to generation. It became a reminder to all who heard it that with determination, imagination, and the bonds of family, even the most daunting challenges could be conquered. And so, the three little pigs lived happily ever after in their unbreakable brick house, forever inspiring others to build their dreams on a foundation of strength, wit, and unwavering camaraderie.